This Robin over here is just calling away. Right there, that's for sure. There he is. What are you alarmed about? There it is. Oh, she's going over to make friends with the Robin. Uh-oh, there he goes. He's chilling on his other... Oh, there he goes. Where's he going? Now he's up here enjoying the sunset. Oh, maybe you did him a favor. For sure. I'm gonna see if he goes up a little bit higher. Look at this guy. She just wanted to go, like, I guess, pet him or something. And then he's now decided, oh wait, the sun's going down. I gotta get as high as I can get here.